You see flames coming out of one of those, something's wrong.
My steering's so jacked up. I think I gotta hold right.
Surprised it works where you fly from.
It doesn't matter because the benefit there is it doesn't have traction regardless.
Yeah.
So in a way, it's almost easier in terms of going straight.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because
yeah.
you're just powering, you're trying to get off the air as soon as possible.
Right. Go back that way. Turn around. Alright.
I think my steering.
Timer clear.
Go, baby.
Go ahead.
I know, yeah.
I'll go behind you.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Got good, my boy.
Got a trim. There we go. There's a lot of contrast.
Yeah.
Gotta love that sound.
I'm doing like figure eights here.
I'm cool.
And I'll stay low.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
See you guys.
All right, see ya.
Steve. Right on, Dennis.
Hello, bird. I'm gonna come from the right. Going up.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That looked good.
Ended up working when we weren't trying.
30 seconds.
Everybody's leaving?
Yeah, we're good.
10, 9, 8.
You're the only other one who does that. That sound?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, because you back off the
You back off the throttle.
1. Time expired.
I'm gonna do a pass from the left. I'm gonna get pretty low.
Everyone's trying to. Yeah, so that dude, I did like a roll right in front of me. He was like, not over the pits. I was like, I know what I'm doing, man. It's not over the fucking pits. And then he was like, whoa, I'm not giving you a hard time. I'm just concerned about safety. I was like, I'm the safest fucking pilot here. I got all egoed out, dude. And then I went over and I said, dude, my bad for snapping. He's like, no, I get it. I watch how you fly. I get the good pilot's ego, but I was just letting you know because I didn't know you flew here.
Yeah.
He was all good, dude. He was a nice guy. definitely a Trump supporter now.
Ah.
With all that America,
Woohoo!
manufacturing in America used to be good.
Yeah, it's true.
all true.
But hey, when people get greedy, I'm coming in. People get greedy.
Good choice in direction. Oh shit, you're filming, huh?
It's all right.
No one wants to hear my attack.
I try to warn you when I
I always forget.
am. It's all right. You coming in?
Yeah.
Okay, come on in. You'll be clear.
Flaps up.
Where are you at?
You'll be clear. Don't worry.
Oh.
Come on in wherever you want, because I'm off.
Oh, no steering. I got
Oh
no
shit,
legs.
none?
I'll show you.
Oh, were you holding up? Were you holding up?
Holding up?
Yeah, oh, it shouldn't matter. It should
No,
still turn.
Yeah, I'll show you. It's my, it binds because it's, well, where it flies.
On that little thing?
Yeah. You ever have that happen?
Not on this plane, but on the others.
Over.
Do it on my F-16 too.
Well, you got a bumpy runway.
I'll show you, yeah. All of them get fucked up.
It's better,
Not here though, now.
that's what I like. I don't have to worry about stuff breaking anymore unless I do something stupid.